At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. The Child Protection and Family Services Agencies, CPFSCA, whatever, is reporting that the 5-year-old boy who survived Sunday's fire in Walkerswood, St. Anne, has not been attending school since September. The boy's 3 siblings died in the blaze. Yeah? My wisdom warriors. Alright. This to show you that the school they don't do for them job either. This to show you that the school them not do for them job either. All them do about that they pitney them about grooming policy and all these rubbish. You understand me? This child not going to school. 5-year-old, you know. The child is only 5-year-old and he not go to school. There must be a reason why he not go to school. There has to be. There has to be a reason, my wisdom warriors. You understand? And then the school not do what them supposed to do. Because if the child not go to school since last year September, the teacher them or the school where the child did go when they were 4-year-old. I don't know how it go. I don't know if the child was going to school when he was 4 years old or what. And then or him never get no space or what. I don't know, my wisdom warriors. But if the child is not going to school since last year September, that means the school should do something about it. On the other hand, it has come to my attention that CPFSA take with the child from the family. I don't know why they would do such a thing. Why child protection I do something? I don't understand, no. Why would not take away the little boy from the parent? Why would not do that? You see, when I notice, everybody get treated differently because a whole heap of fire incident me see happen my wisdom warriors and me not see people get treated like this. You understand? You can't have one rules for one set of people and a different rules for another set of people. No, Sankey can't sing so. You cannot do that because a lot of time me see fire incident happen. Pitney lose them life. Me not see parents get locked up and me not see them take with the other pitney them. You understand? But it depends. Why my wisdom words me not even know. Because I see that. I see they only do it to certain people. You can't do things like that. You cannot do things like that. You understand? You can lock up this parent, yeah, and then one fire incident happen up this and you no lock up that the parent there. It just don't make no sense. You get me? And I don't understand why you don't take out the baby, the little 5-year-old. If the 5-year-old now got school last year September, why would not take out the pitney for? That makes sense? That don't make no sense. That only make the situation worse. Why? Unless the mother or the parent is having a mental breakdown or something like that, then that is different. But if that is not the case, I only go take with the pitney because the pitney not go to school since September, it just don't make no sense. Lord, do not just backwards, so. Mighty God of Daniel. I don't think that was the best thing to do. I don't think I best thing. I don't think say uno fit take with the pitney, remove the 5-year-old child because he no go school from last year September. No. Uno fi find out and get to the bottom of things. You understand? Uno can't just do that. Unless the mother is having a mental breakdown. That is different. You understand? But my wisdom warriors, it is a sad situation. But when we want the child protection people them for do, workers for do, yeah, in a Jamaica. Listen, all rules go for everybody. If a fire happen up the road, you understand, and pitney alone left in the house, listen to me. You don't feel like up your parents them. If a fire happen down the road, same thing. You understand? Same thing. But when we notice, different people get different treatment. And it need to stop. It just need to stop. My wisdom warriors, take a look at my screen. I owe that. Mr. Then two more to see. Just take a look on Oris Chang. Police responding to spike in murder, says Chang. Hmm? Yeah. They know say crime reduce. They know say crime is reducing. Even from the start of the year, crime are reduced. So that them say, even though it is 34 murders, they say crime is reducing. So how Horace Chang come out right now and I say, crime spike up? Eh? Talk truth. My wisdom warriors. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the police have activated measures to counter the spike in the murder rate since the start of the year. According to the latest serious crime statistic published on Sunday, the country recorded 34 murders in the first 11 days of the year. You hear that there? And if you don't go over Trinidad News, Trinidad News say Jamaica crime rate is really high. Yeah, because 34 people dead the start of the year. I won't leave that. But guess what now, my wisdom warriors? Out of the 34, 10 was killed by security forces. 10. Well, I don't know if them, wait there, let me back up. My wisdom warriors between me and Uni, I don't know if they put that the 10 in at the 34. Or they not count that the 10 in, none at all. However, me go give them the benefit of the doubt. Just say, because them say 34, you understand? And 10. Them say 10 is killed by security forces. You know how me know? Indicom just released a statement. The Independent Commission of Investigations, Indicom, is reporting 10 fatal shootings by the security forces since the start of the new year. Indicom Commissioner Hugh Faulkner is again calling for the use of body-worn cameras during planned operations. You hear that? Them not for wear no body cameras only in a no planned operation. Them for wear camera right through. As them put on their uniform and start them there, then fi have on the camera. Then fi have on the camera. As long as them on duty, them fi wear them camera. You understand? People life not sell a shop, Me tell you that. People life not sell a shop. You understand? We get one life to live. We get one life to live, me Jamaican people. Life not sell a shop. You understand me? So, uno police and uno soldier, the whole of uno, not even say soldier, uno police, uno for wear body camera. Horace Chang said it is not a priority. Remember, Horace Chang came out last year and said that is not a top priority for them. So this is to show you that people's lives in Jamaica doesn't matter. I don't know when the labor right them are going to see this, I don't know. Well, the labor right them must have learned by now because look, my boy, the chronic law them, yeah, the little girl will die. Remember say them sing government badness, Andrew Wallace and Christopher Tufton throw them underneath the bus. So who is we? Who is we? Somehow we never see Andrew Wallace yet. Don't even want to talk my wisdom warriors. Yeah? We need to get rid of this man. Horace Chang, Andrew Wallace, Christopher Tufton, the whole works. We need to get rid of them. The whole Jamaica Labour Party, they need to dismantle out of Jamaica. They don't have no love in their heart. They heartless Jamaica. And the earlier you know, it better it is for us. They are heartless. You don't see what is going on. Open up on the eye. Lord God, I don't know what else to tell you now. Seriously. I don't know what else to say. Because you not open up on the eye. On the eye half shut. Mighty God of Daniel, man. Come on. Come on. Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck is appealing for a violence-free election with the general parliamentary election due by September. Jamaicans have been on election alert since last year. Mr. Chuck is imploring supporters of Jamaica's two major political parties not to be triggered by heated rhetoric in parliament and on the campaign trail. You hear this, man? You hear them a hypocrite? You hear them a hypocrite? Them are the one we always come out and instigate people to do things. Them. Because Desmond Mackenzie come out over there and chat off his mouth. The whole of them always come out and chat off their mouth. You understand? And then you have the labor rights supporters, them are send pure threat to the PNP. Yeah? Pure threat. Pure threat. Them are sent to the PNP. Remember saying done a send threat to the news media them already, you know. Remember good, you know. The labor right, you know. Them a send threat to the news media. And since Barbara dead, you know hear no more threat I go to the media, you know. I may talk truth, it's just the truth. When you hear the labor right, them a send no more threat, go underneath the gleaner right now and looking at the comment section and see if anybody has sent threat to them. And then uno come out and uno talk like this. Uno come out and uno talk like this. When uno instigate badness and violence in a Jamaica. Remember say uno not fight crime, you know. Remember, you know, under the Jamaica Labour Party, underneath Funo government, you know, uno use the JCF to fight politics, you know. Uno know the amount of PNP people dead since last year. No, seriously. Uno want know the amount of people were dead in a St. Catherine and most of them are PNP. Delroy Chuck, listen to me, man. Listen to me. Go tell your labor rights supporters them that. That is what you need to do. One, the labor rights supporters. You understand? Because of them out there send threat. Me no see no PNP as send no threat. Of them a send threat, the labor right. And you see how PNP very humble. PNP humble, you know. They take it go, they take it come. Let me say, labor right, them a set a troublemaker. Right through last year, me look upon that and me see that troublemaker. If the labor right them supporters can pick up themselves, gone in a one PNP area, cut down tree, do this and do that, and I make it look like a PNP a protest. Where them would do Jamaica? Where them would do? So may I try show no? Delroy Chuck. One, the labor right them for stop trouble PNP. Because PNP no business. You understand? We don't know. PNP is not about violence and crime. Let me tell you now. PNP is for truths and rights. When the PNP people then come out and attack, just look, a facts them come with. They not come with hearsay and a bag of mouth like the labor right them. Because when the labor right them come out and appear chattings then the pan and no evidence. No evidence. But we, the people, always come out with fury. We always come out. PNP always come out. PNP always come out with for them evidence and proof all the time. You understand? So Delroy Chuck, you need to warn the labor right them because PNP is a humble set of people. And a whole heap of time. Remember, you know? Remember when Mayor Swaby did a swear in, you know? Uno labor right good go broke war, you know? And see? PNP still never did a war with, you know? Me just a remind you, you know? Me just a remind you, Delroy Chuck. Because you are going like say, you don't know what going, you know, old boy. You are going like you don't know what going. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think about this. You see, for me, I don't want no violence and no crime to happen during election or upcoming election. But you see the rate how the government of Jamaica move, only God alone. Only God alone we have to call upon. Only God alone. So, uno tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you agree with Delroy Chuck and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, according to Nationwide News, they said that a man shot and killed by the police during an incident in Portmore, St. Catherine on Tuesday, was a former member of the Jamaica Defence Force, JDF, who went on to have a criminal history. Our sources say 24-year-old Alex Madden was discharged from the JDF last year due to his involvement in criminal activities. So my wisdom warriors, wanna see what I go on? Wanna see? JDF turned big gangster according to them. So them say, my wisdom warriors, I do not know. You understand? I do not know. But wanna tell me what you really think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, one of my fan, my lovely fan, Yeah, she reached out to me and she sent me this voice note. And me have a video also when me want to know if you watch. A small video clip. And me want to know tell me what you think. Because we are going to elaborate on this. Yeah?
At half of the press, look on that little incident here. I'm going to Spanish, I'm going to Kingston. When I reach Spanish Town, I go up on this. Start to video it and so not knowing the reason why them a grab up the youth and a beers. And then also the policeman come and grab the phone out of my hand. And I have my phone. But when he realized that other people in the phone are really in taking one little time and give me back the phone. For what reason I don't know. And then my grandma on the youth phone and the youth has to give me the phone. The little short one yesterday about the boy. And him start to thump him up. And then the other one get him V9 now and box him up and him. But the policeman come and grab the phone out of me and you see how them out of that road. And then something of the reason why they don't want to wear body camera because they know the antics so they might behave without a road.
Then we can go kill him, you know.
Of course.
Then we can go kill him.
Oh, jump.
What up?
Thank you, sir.
My wisdom warriors. Wanna see what good on. I wanna hear what the lady say. I wanna see the police boy run come. I grab the phone, from the lady, Yeah, man. From one of our wisdom warriors, The police boy come. Why would you do that if you never have nothing to hide? How can these police be trusted? How can these police be trusted? Me sure know so when them a grab up the youth, then I ask him if him a PNP or him a labor right. You understand me? This is the whole reason why they don't want to wear no body cam. And I believe body cam should be worn from the start of the day. You understand me? When they start to work, when them go on duty, that's when it should be worn, them body cam. Not when them go on no operation alone. No. Because look what they do to the youth and the people them a video it. And the police boy come and take away the woman phone. Them something me right, Jamaica? Them something me no right. You understand? I me have to lick out against these things because me not like it. I don't like these things. It is wrong. A police officer shouldn't be operating like this. It is unacceptable. Even if you come take the woman phone from out her hand, it is unacceptable. She's not in your way. She's not disturbing you. Jano, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Norman Brown, business partner of Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, has secured court approval to challenge sections of an Integrity Commission report regarding tax compliance concerns involving a real estate development company linked to him. Brown has, however, lost a bid to challenge the report comments that his chairmanship of two real estate agencies that report to Holness poses significant conflict of interest concern. So now you're saying last that the part them my wisdom warriors, in a courthouse. Alright. This man now when named Norman Brown. You see? Andrew Holness give them some stripe. So they feel like they have the right to come and challenge. You can challenge all you want. Because you're not going to lose. You're not going to lose this case. You hear me? Norman Brown. You come out here challenge. You come out here challenge. Yeah, you need to resign. From when Floyd Morris asked you for resign, how comes you not resign yet? But to pick up yourself, but you gonna bring IC a courthouse. The whole of a little bit of nothing. How the whole of una so little bit of my case? And who give una this strength? Eh? Who give una this type of strength? The whole of una challenge IC. Una think una go win this case? Una now win this. Una now win this. Nah, man, Brown. Floyd Morris still a wait upon you. Figure resign. You understand? Yes. Floyd Morris is waiting on you and the rest of the Jamaican people. But to come out a challenge I see. Cope on you too. Eh? Cope on you too. But una challenge I see. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, don't forget my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Blessings upon blessings. One love.